with weekly trading ideas for the week starting the 28th of September 2020. If you would like to receive those videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at the bottom of this video. And before we get into the trading ideas, let me announce the winner of the flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now on your screen you should see the name of the winner. So congratulations for winning the profile, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next weekly trading ideas video, which I'll most likely do the next week. What you need to do to participate in this contest is to leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and in the next video I'll randomly pick one person to win my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest. Let's now go into the trading ideas. Let's first start with Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. What you see on my screen are three charts. Both are linked. They show the same trading instrument, which is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So all those charts show the same trading instrument. The chart at the top is a 60-minute chart where I use weekly fixed volume profiles, which means that every week new volume profile will get printed to show me how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. I also use a VWAP indicator. Those are those lines. This one right there is a weekly VWAP, and in this chart, this is a 30-minute chart. This is where I use my flexible volume profile. That's the volume profile. You can move around like this to look into specific trading areas. Now the last chart, this one, is a 15-minute chart which shows fixed profiles, and those profiles are 4-hour profiles, which means that every 4 hours new volume profile gets printed automatically. Alright, so let's get into it. Let me show you the trading idea which I have for you on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see, there was a strong downtrend, and when there is a downtrend, I'll look for significant volume clusters to go short from. So, if you look at the chart with the flexible volume profile, you can already see that there is a very strong volume cluster created in here with its peak at 0.9537, and I think that the sellers who are pushing the price downwards in this downtrend were adding to their selling positions in here. The volume cluster shows that there were massive volumes added to the market, traded in the market in here, and I think that those sellers will be defending their selling positions when the price makes it back to this level again at some point in the future. So when the price makes it back to this level, I expect a selling reaction from there. If you look at the weekly profile, you can also see that the level is nicely visible in here. This is the significant volume cluster the trade idea is based on. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's now move on into the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So this is the Australian dollar, Japanese yen on all the three charts. As you can see, there's also a strong downtrend in here. And when there is the downtrend, I look for significant volume clusters. That's the trend setup, which I like to trade. Let me use the flexible volume profile over the downtrend area. As you can see, there's a very strong volume cluster in here, also very nicely visible on the weekly profile. This is it. This is the significant volume cluster. This is the same one. And as the price was getting downwards, the sellers were adding to their selling positions, and they were adding to their selling positions quite a lot in this place, at this place where the volume cluster got created. So when the price makes a pullback to this area again, to 74.78, I expect that the sellers will try to defend their selling positions, their shorts, and they'll try and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, it's the same logic as in the previous trading idea. The next trading idea is on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, and this trading idea is based on a trading setup which I call the volume accumulation setup, and also an open drive. You can read more about the open drive in my book, which you can download for free on my website. Let me show you the reasoning behind this trading level. What I'm interested in is this heavy volume area from which the strong sell-off started. In this area, heavy volumes got created, got accumulated. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see how the volumes were distributed there. As you can see, the heaviest volume peak in this rotation area is in here at 70.65, and this is where I think the sellers were accumulating most of their selling positions before they started the strong sell-off in here. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I expect those sellers to start defending their selling positions and to become active and to push the price downwards from there again. Alright, so that's the volume-based reasoning behind this trading level. And also, as I said, there is the open drive, which means basically that the market opened on Monday, and from that place, the price didn't go upwards, it went straight downwards the whole week. You can see it very nicely in here. This is the previous week. Price opened, accumulated some volumes, and then went downwards without any buying reaction whatsoever. So this is the open drive, weekly open drive, and another confluence to the volume-based trading level in here. Alright, so that's for the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. And the last trading idea which I would like to show you in this video will be on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's have a look at it. So this is the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and there's also the volume accumulation setup. There were massive volumes created in here in this rotation, and afterwards the price went downwards in a downtrend. What this means is that sellers were accumulating their selling positions, entering their shorts, and then they started pushing the price downwards aggressively. So what we can expect is that when there's a pullback into this level at some point in the future, those sellers should become active again. They should try and push the price downwards from this level again. Alright, and this is where I expect the selling reaction at 0.8869. This is where the volumes were the heaviest. This is the point of control of this heavy volume area. Alright, you can also see this level very nicely on the weekly profile in here. This is the strong volume accumulation area. Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with the volume profile, you visit my website, which is trader-dale.com, and in here you go to trading course and tools, where you can enroll in one of my trading courses. What I recommend is getting my elite pack in here, which includes my volume profile video course, which is 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile and price action. You'll also get my personal trading levels every day, which means trading levels for intraday trading as well as trading levels for swing trading. Then you'll also get a volume profile pack, which is pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators for NinjaTrader 8 as well as for MetaTrader 4. And as a bonus, that's a free bonus, you'll get a VWAP indicator for NinjaTrader 8 and my book, which I wrote about trading with a volume profile. Now there's another special bonus for this month, and the bonus is free tech support for Elite Pack members. What this means is that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader platform for you with all the indicators, my personal workspaces, which I use for my own trading. You'll also get connected to data feed and all that for free. So you'll get personal technical support, which will set up everything for you so you can start trading immediately without reading any manuals. So this way you will be able to get a jump start. Alright, so that's about it. That's about this weekly trading ideas video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found it interesting and useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, and until then, happy trading.